Hello my friend, actually there are many colors to choose from the brochure. For example, this is one coffee color. The texture, you can see the texture. There are many different textures for coffee or beige color. For example, this is coffee color, a different texture. This is the coffee color. The brown color. This is the coffee color. If in the future you have to choose colors for every order, and we can send the brochure to you together with your goods. So you can flip over in your site, you can choose every colors, and this is the beige color. This is the coffee color. I also took pictures, and you can see from the picture more clearly. This is coffee color. This is coffee color. Coffee. This is coffee. This is coffee color. Alright, from the video you can understand our how to choose colors in my site, and probably it's better you can choose from my photos. Alright, this is a coffee cotton texture coffee color. So for my big customers, usually they have our brochures, and this brochure is also from the supplier. There's a specific factory to produce the leather in my place. It's a beige color. Every time I want to choose the correct and a color for my customer, so I will check all colors carefully. Okay, thank you.